Hello guys, welcome to Sharma Ki video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the user profile service failed the login, user profile cannot be loaded. So if this notification is showing while you was supposed to log in your window, and this error message will appear, so how you can fix this error I'm telling you today. So what you need to do, you need to do restart your system. Click on restart, and now you can press to specify an advanced option for this choice, press F8. So press F8, and now you can select safe mode option and press enter. You need to wait for a while, and it will redirect to the safe mode option. Preparing your desktop, and it will redirect to the safe mode option. What you need to do, you need to cancel this message, Windows help and support, and cancel also this message, user profile service, if this appear, and click on start and just search program and files option. You need to search regedit, regedit, regedit. You need to click on right click on this regedit option, run as an administrator, and now here you need to press the option H key local machine. Click on this, and from here you need to click on Microsoft, you need to click on, after click on software you need to click on Microsoft, and after Microsoft you need to click on Windows NT. You need to click on Windows NT option, and you need to click after the, you need to click on current version, and after current version you need to find profile list. You need to click on profile list, and after profile list you, yeah, there is a two folder name you are finding here. Below two folder name is S1. You need to, what you need to do, you need to just rename this folder. After in this folder, you need to click on this one, state, and the reg count, reference count, and you need to after this you need to reset this one to 0. I have done this, and after reg count is also reset to 0 as I have already done this. So press OK and click on file and then click on exit. Only this step you need to follow. After this steps you need to click on restart option. Okay, so by this video you can sort it out this problem, and you can easily sort it out that how can you fix the user login problem if this message will occur in future in your system. So thanks for watching today's tutorial, and please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I will update you a new videos which will help you to sorting about your problems. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.